Sometimes you're trying to remove a Bluetooth device like this one, but it won't remove because Windows, for some reason, just wants to hold on to it forever. The first thing you want to do is move to the Bluetooth settings. Select Remove Device and see if it removes. And if it's failed, we'll move on to the more advanced way of doing it. So let's have a look at Device Manager. We're going to go to Start and then type Device Manager. Click on Device Manager, and here under Bluetooth, you should be able to see what you're looking for. Right click this and then say Uninstall Device. If you're like me and you don't see it, you can click on Action and go to the Device and Printers section. This will open up the old Device and Printers option, and you can now have a look at all the devices that you have. If it looks like it's in a list form, you can always change it to like medium size icon. I like the large size. And here I can look for the item that I want. In this case, it's the Soundpeats Air 3. I'm going to right click on this and select Remove Device. Now, there's always the case that none of this works. And if that's so, what you can try is to create a new user account. I know, this sucks, but sometimes it solves all the problems because a corrupted user account is what's causing this. What you have to do is pretty much start a new user account, and then you'll be able to add your Bluetooth headset back so that the other one is no longer linked to the old user profile. Once you have everything set up and ready to go, you can go ahead and delete the old user account. Just make sure you port all the files across that you need, like documents and stuff. But if you have OneDrive, it's probably already linked. Okay, hopefully that solved your problem. If you have any other comments, just leave it down below and I'll try my best to fix it for you.